Okay, in today's video, I would like to show you how the number 9 works in space and time and in magnetism. The number 9 is the controller of the cause. It is the spirit center of a magnetic field. It's the most powerful number. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how it functions in 3D reality. Let's get started. I'm going to be going today through some more of my notebook, and we're just going to start from there. Divine symmetry is when we bisect a circle. The angle always reduces to 9, converging into a singularity. Polygons reveal the exact opposite. The vectors communicate in outward divergence. The 9s reveal a linear duality that is both the singularity and the vacuum. But really, there are no dualities in nature. Everything is triplicate. That's why Tesla says 369 is the key to everything. Okay, the 9 the 9 molds everything and nothing simultaneously. The sum of all digits excluding 9 is 36. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Paradoxically, 9 plus any digit returns the same digit. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 9 equals all the digits, 36, and nothing, 0. Okay, so now we get into what Vortex Mathematics is showing you. Okay, in Vortex Math, every vector is the sum of its 3 nearest neighbors. So here's what they're showing you. It's the same thing that my delta t is showing you standing still, and then when it goes into rotation. It's the double tetrahedron, or the Merkaba. Okay, so the 8 vortices of the Merkaba add to 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Spun to the right, it doubles in number. So like I said, when this thing is spinning to the right, it's doubling. Its effect is doubling. Okay, running off the Fibonacci. Reverse to the left, it subtracts by half. Okay, so when spun to the left, counterclockwise, now it's reducing. In a Merkaba, every axis has a balanced polarity. In Vortex Math, the 3 and the 6 have a unique polar relationship. They are not part of the rotating doubling circuit. This is very important. The 1, the 2, the 4, the 8, the 7, and the 5. They're not part of the rotating doubling circuit. Okay? The 3 and the 6 form their own doubling circuit on an axis. Okay? 3 doubled is 6. 6 doubled is 12. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 12. 1 plus 2. Doubled is 24. 2 plus 4. Okay, the same is true with halving. Half of 3 is 1.5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Half of 1.5 is 0.75. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And 1 plus 2 equals 3. The cycle is infinite in both directions. Like a rotating doubling circuit. And it's operating like this. Like I said, the 9 is the most powerful number. So it says 9 to infinity. The number 9 in Fibonacci. Okay, here's your first 12 digits of the Fibonacci. So when, okay, the 12 is the square root of its location. So here's your 12th Fibonacci number at 144. 12 times 2, 12 squared equals 144. And the first in the series with a digital root of 9. 1 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so when you set it all up, the numbers run like this. I'm trying to get it in there so you can all see it. It's just the Fibonacci running this way. When you take your 12 numbers, the 12 numbers later keep reducing. So it all reduces to an infinite pattern that is 99999 to infinity. Vortex Math reveals a higher dimensional symmetry. And it says, those who have come to understand the code have become masters of wisdom, seen as holding keys in ancient artwork. The universe is geometrical and congruent, forming shapes and images and the divine number 9. From atoms to galaxies, or even our DNA is surrounded by geometrical shapes and patterns with the number 9 hidden inside. Proof of creation. Numbers form shapes and do weird things according to magnetism. When you add numbers in a certain way, different patterns arise which create geometrical shapes. The number 9 seems to govern properties of reality and time, because the number 9 is the controller of the cause. Spirit center of a magnetic field. Okay, the number 9 in time. 1,440 minutes in a day adds up to 9. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 equals 9. 86,400 seconds in a day adds up to 9. 10,080 minutes in a week adds up to 9. 525,600 minutes in a year adds up to 9. Minutes and seconds in a day, weeks and months in a year always reduce to 9. This is unaffected by leap years. The result will always reduce to a digital root of 9. The numbers seem to be existent and non-existent at the same time. It cancels itself out. Using digital root method, you cannot distinguish between a 9 and a 0. Okay, in digital root, if you add up the digits of a number until there's only one number left, this was used by the ancients called numerology, and is used as a shortcut for solving certain mathematical equations by organizing numbers. The sum of the digits of digital root, and it shows how you take 458, you take the 4 plus the 5 plus the 8 equals 17. Then you break it down. 17 is 1 plus 7 equals 8. So you're just breaking it down. The trick is casting out the 9s. This means that you remove any combos of numbers that add up to 9 while you are summing up your numbers. Okay, so in 3,954, you would take 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4. And you get your sum answer faster if you just drop the 9 and sum the 5 plus the 4 that adds to the 9 to get the digital sum of 3. So it's just a shortcut at solving these equations. It's called casting out the nines. So this is an ancient trick. Okay, so like 3, 9, 5, 4 actually cancel out the 3, and then you treat them as zeros, and they magically disappear. So 3, 9, 5, 4, the answer is 3, because the number 9 is the most powerful number, because it is the controller of the cause, and it's the spirit center of a magnetic field. It's where everything's emulating from, and it's the conscious controller of the cause. Thanks for watching.